More than 40% of people over 45 have varicose veins. Did you know that? Imagine waking up at the end of a long, exhausting day and not having to deal with pain or heaviness in your legs. Keep watching to discover how to get rid of those annoying veins and improve the health of your legs without leaving home. This video shows the best ways to treat varicose veins, including techniques and home remedies that really work. You'll see how making simple changes to your daily routine can help strengthen your veins and alleviate those painful symptoms. You'll also learn the best ways to eat and exercise to keep your veins healthy. But that's not all. I'll also tell you some surprising natural remedies for varicose veins that you can keep at home. These have been used for generations. If you're tired of having varicose veins and want to know how to get rid of them forever, watch this video directly. You won't regret it, I promise. Now let's begin. What are varicose veins, and how do they make us feel? Swollen and twisted veins have become larger due to problems with the valves inside the veins. These valves help move blood toward the heart by opening and closing like small doors. When the veins don't work properly, blood pools in them, making them larger and more visible. Millions of people worldwide face this problem. When you get home after a long day, take off your shoes and notice that your feet are a little swollen. You might feel like you've walked miles because your legs hurt. These are the first signs that you might have varicose veins. Over time, you may start to see spider veins on your legs. These are the small lines that look like spider webs. Skin problems like spider veins are just the beginning of what could worsen as the disease progresses. The veins can bulge more and form painful knots. The skin around these veins can become thinner and break more easily. You might even get cramps in your legs, especially at night. Sometimes these cramps are so painful that they wake you up in the middle of the night. This makes it hard to sleep and reduces the quality of life. Varicose veins are not just an aesthetic problem. They can also be very painful and uncomfortable. These problems can worsen if not addressed. There can be blood clots, infections, skin redness, and thin vein walls breaking, which can cause bleeding. What makes some people have varicose veins and others not? Several things can increase the likelihood of having varicose veins. Genetics is very important. People with ancestors who had varicose veins are more likely to suffer from them because some characteristics of the veins, such as the strength of their walls and the proper functioning of the valves, can be passed down from parents to children. They occur more frequently in women due to hormonal changes during pregnancy, menstruation, and menopause. Hormones in women can cause the vein walls to loosen, leading to vein growth. Varicose veins can also appear from gaining weight during pregnancy and the additional pressure it exerts on the abdominal veins. Lifestyle is also important. Spending a lot of time sitting or standing can worsen it, especially if you work as a teacher, nurse, salesperson, or someone else who has to stand for long periods. You are likely to have problems with your veins. Similarly, jobs that require sitting for long periods, like office work, can also increase the risk. When you are overweight, the veins in your legs are under more pressure, making blood flow difficult. It can worsen if you wear tight clothing and high heels. Blood flow can be slowed by tight clothing, and high heels can change how the leg muscles work, also slowing blood flow. Let's talk about how to stop it now that we know what causes it. Keeping your veins healthy, and, for varicose veins, staying away from things that can cause them. Helpful tips: move more. Any exercise can help strengthen the vein walls and improve blood flow. Go for a walk, swim, or bike ride. Small changes, like taking the stairs instead of the elevator, can have a big impact. You can try to be more active every day by doing things like parking farther from the main entrance at work or going for a walk during the day. Keep your weight within a healthy range. Your veins will hurt if you are overweight. So try to maintain a healthy weight for your height and age. If you need help with a healthy meal plan, talk to a chef. Remember that losing even a little weight can help your health and relieve pressure on the veins. Change positions often. Constant movement is important. If you spend a lot of time sitting or standing, try to keep your legs elevated and don't cross them while sitting. Try walking for a few minutes every hour if you have to stand at work. Every hour, get up and stretch if you are sitting. Wear comfortable clothing. Tight shoes and clothing can cut off blood flow. Choose looser, more relaxed clothing. You can also help the blood flow in your legs by wearing compression stockings. Be careful with heat, as saunas, hot baths, and intense sunlight can dilate the veins. Avoid them as much as possible. If you live in a hot place, take a cold bath to refresh your legs and help prevent vein swelling. Take care of your veins by eating foods that strengthen their walls and improve blood flow. Oranges and kiwis are good fruits and vegetables, as are broccoli and spinach. Olive oil and seafood are good sources of healthy fats. Garlic is also excellent for the veins. You could add these to your daily meals. Home remedies that work. Some things you probably already have at home can be very effective in solving varicose veins. You can relieve your symptoms with these home remedies. Honey and apple cider vinegar. This remedy is easy to make and works well. Mix a teaspoon of honey and 2 teaspoons of homemade apple cider vinegar in 100 milliliters of water. Do not eat or drink anything before drinking this. This mixture makes the vein wall stronger and the blood more fluid, improving circulation. Many people have said their symptoms improved significantly after using this remedy daily. Aspirin bandages. Mix 5 aspirin tablets with a glass of hot water. Place this solution on a wide bandage and then wrap it. Keep the bandage on for an hour. This method helps reduce pain and swelling and makes the veins more flexible for at least 10 hours. Do this process daily. This remedy works especially well for people who suffer a lot of pain due to varicose veins. Raw potato poultices. You can peel and grate some raw potatoes. Cover the wound with a cotton cloth and place the potato puree on top. Leave it on for 5 or 6 hours. This old remedy helps relieve pain and reduce swelling naturally. Raw potatoes can help reduce inflammation, which is beneficial. Let's look at some old remedies now. Folk doctors know many different ways to treat varicose veins over the years. Things like acacia, kalanchoe, green peppers, cabbage leaves, wormwood, and ferns have been used. It may seem impossible, but these natural ingredients can make a difference. For example, green tomatoes. Cut them and place them over the injured veins, then wrap them. Tomatoes are acidic, which helps reduce swelling and improve blood flow. This remedy is simple to make and can work well if used regularly. Sour milk with wormwood is another well-known remedy. Freshly chopped wormwood and sour milk should be mixed and then applied to the varicose veins. Place a bandage and a cloth on top and leave it on for a few hours. This remedy is famous for reducing swelling and making people feel better. Many people have felt better after using this treatment for a long time. Cabbage leaves can also be used to make poultices. Crush the cabbage leaves and place them over the sore veins. Use a wrap to keep them in place. Because it reduces inflammation, cabbage can help relieve pain and stiffness. Acacia and kalanchoe also work well. You can use a clean cloth to apply a mixture made from these plants to your varicose veins. These herbal medicines have been used for centuries and still are because they work. When to see a doctor. Although home treatments sometimes work, it's important to know when to seek help from a professional. A doctor should examine your veins immediately if they are very swollen and painful or if your skin changes, such as developing sores. Also, do not wait to see a doctor if you have signs such as bleeding, intense redness, or fever. If the problem is very serious, your doctor may suggest more advanced treatment methods such as sclerotherapy, laser ablation, or surgery. In sclerotherapy, a solution is injected into the veins that need treatment. This causes the veins to close and eventually disappear. With laser ablation, varicose veins can be closed. In the worst cases, it may be necessary to surgically remove the affected veins. Don't let the problem worsen. It will be easier to solve the problem if you get help immediately. To keep your veins healthy, do what your doctor tells you and keep up with your home care. Although varicose veins can be painful and uncomfortable, you can improve the health of your legs and relieve symptoms with proper care and some home treatments. Remember to keep moving, maintain a healthy weight, avoid wearing overly tight clothing, and use the natural treatments we've discussed. Don't let spider veins stop you. You can change things for the better and take control of your health. Take care of your legs today to live a healthier and more peaceful life. Remember that every little thing you do to improve your health is important. Don't stop. You are responsible for your own health. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the new videos we publish. You can also leave a message if you have any questions about your health, are feeling any pain, or just want to say thank you. We are here to help you with free advice and the best support we can provide. Your health is very important to us, and we want you to feel good in every way. We will be happy to help you. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications if you like this video. This way, you won't miss any of our other videos. Share your thoughts and tell us how you take care of your veins. Please contact us.